Hey guys, Lazy Money UK here. Since I started making these videos, a few of you have decided to give Swagbucks a try using my referral link. I'm super grateful to everyone who would want to support my channel in this way. Unfortunately though, none of the people who signed up to Swagbucks ended up making any money for themselves. I guess the layout of the site could be confusing for people who aren't used to it. It's important for me to be a trusted source of information when it comes to the best ways to make money online. I want to make sure that the people I refer to these apps and websites get the value that they're expecting. That's why I made this Swagbucks tutorial for complete beginners. In this video, we're going to go back to basics and learn the easiest things you can do daily to build up your points balance. So the first thing you want to do each day is answer the daily poll. This will get you your first cent. Then, go to the search feature of the site and start searching random phrases. Soon enough, you'll encounter this message saying your search has won you some points. You'll need to enter the captcha to claim your prize. After that, go and check the watch section of the site. If there isn't a link to this in the sidebar menu, simply go to the web address shown here. Wait for a moment and see if any activities appear. Today, they're paying people to view a car website. This particular activity works on autoplay, so I can just leave it to run until it maxes out for the day. I ended up getting 16 cents in passive income from this. We might be able to find some more activities like this that aren't listed on the site. Try searching on Google for direct nCrave links. This post on Reddit has the links for some more pay-to-click activities. I got another 15 cents from clicking on these. Finally, go to the play section of the site and find the game Swagsaurus Run. I've made a full tutorial video already to show you how to get paid from this, but basically you need to get 10 game overs with 30 seconds rest between attempts. By the way, if you can't get the game to start up, make sure you're using the Firefox browser and have given Flash Player permission to run. Playing this game will get you another 10 cents each day. After doing the stuff in this video, I'm up to 48 cents for today. I now have enough points to cash out another £10 into my PayPal account. Remember, if you're a new user on the site, then you'll be given $3 worth of points for free when you make your first 300 points. If you still need to sign up, please use my invitation link so then we'll both make money. I'm happy to help people learn how to use the site whether you've joined as my referral or not. Feel free to comment down below if you have any questions. Don't miss out on this easy money just because it seems a little confusing at first. You'll soon get the hang of it. Thanks for watching this video all the way through. Like and subscribe for more lazy money making tips. See you next time.